Hello, my name is Vichea. I'm currently a software engineer in Japan, and I'm a KT graduate, and I'm from batch 6. So I'm currently a software engineer in Japan. My work is related to software development, so I do a lot of work related to programming. Work aside, life here is very great. I enjoy a lot of nature hiking and nature experience. I usually do hiking on weekends with friends from work and my fellow graduates from Cambodia. And we have a lot of fun in here, I think. And Japan's transportation is very convenient because you can go anywhere on train. So I really appreciate that. So back in my university year, we did quite a lot of internship in both year 1 and year 2. And then we focused more on practical projects in our year 3 and year 4. I think those years of internship and experience has provided a lot of valuable insight into getting us used to the real working environment of a system engineer or a software engineer. I think this university has quite a unique curriculum or way of allowing students to do internship while they're also completing their bachelor degree. So I think it's a win-win situation for students in order to get close to a real working experience while also completing their degree. So for a new student coming to KT, I think everyone should really focus on developing your software development skill. Pick one skill that you're passionate about and focus on that, and make sure that you're very skillful in that. I think it's very important for you to have one skill that you're confident at while you're working in a real environment. And also, if you plan to work in Japan or you want to experience Japanese culture, I think it's necessary for you to learn basic conversational Japanese before you come here as well, because it's definitely going to help you a lot in adjusting to the new environment.